Hi guys, it's me JJ and today I'm back with another video. First, before we begin this video, I just wanted to say I'm so happy to be back. I haven't done a YouTube video in so long, so I'm back. So you guys are probably wondering, what am I doing today? Well, today, by the title you already saw, we are doing slime. So for slime you need glue, borax, and lotion. So let's get on with the video. And I actually forgot the shaving cream, so we also need shaving cream. So the first thing to begin with is the glue to make marshmallow slime. You put some glue in, and yeah. So I'm just gonna put that much glue in. So that's the first step you should do. The next step is putting shaving cream in. It depends how much shaving cream you put in, because it depends how big you want your slime to be. Whoa. Next thing, you stir the glue and the shaving cream so they mix together. And if you want, you can add some color in it, but I'm just doing marshmallow slime, so I'm not adding any color in. The next thing you put in is borax, and you have to be careful that you don't put in too much borax, because it will be like really hard and not stretchy. Then you stir the borax with the glue and the shaving cream. The next thing you do is you put coconut, like any lotion in it. Mine is like kind of going to smell like coconut because it's coconut lotion. So let's put in some coconut lotion. If you finish putting in your lotion, you just stir it. And then if you think your slime is good to be touched with your hands, then you just grab it and put it out. You just at first it's going to be a little sticky, but then it's not going to be sticky. If you think it's ready, so you just, as I told you, you just play with it. So that's it for today's video. If you liked it, please subscribe and like my videos. And remember, you can try this at home, and you can try it at the park, at home, anywhere where you want. Bye!